Hello, Mike here from your Successful Affiliate Influencer. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click the subscribe button below, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. Today, we are going to talk about the power of money. The power of money to get a passive income for life. Money is a very powerful item in life. Without money, you won't get very far in life. There are people who say money is not important. Well, without money, you won't get very far. Pensions these days are not very good, and with the cost of living these days rising all the time, pensions don't. So whether you are still working or not, you need to look to the future. It's never too late to have a passive income online. Me, I am a pensioner, and my pension is not worth the paper it's written on, which is why I looked at earning money online. Yes, it's a minefield out there, knowing where to start. Something tells me you are watching my video now on how to make money online to get a passive income. That's possibly you who doesn't know where to start. Just like me, some time ago, I looked at so many videos telling me to do this, do that, buy my program, and you would earn X, Y, Z. By the end of the month, you go buy, you buy it. Then you are completely lost. Spent God knows how much money. You scratch your head and telling yourself, this doesn't work for me. You are not alone. Many a person has been there, and guess what? So have I. You need to learn the process on how to earn money online. You can spend thousands of dollars online and get nowhere. Then what do? And like a lot of people, they give up. Now, if you had the right beginner's course showing you what to do and you study and take on board what you have been told to do, then they would become successful and earn money online. It doesn't happen overnight. When you start to follow the proven way, don't try and invent the wheel. Follow the proven way. This is another reason why people give up. Why? As I said before, it doesn't happen overnight. You need to be patient. Now that I am following the proven way, I still have to get a following on YouTube, which is how I get people to buy from me. Now, I have a free ebook, see below, on how to become a successful affiliate marketer. So if you are looking to make money online and have a passive income, I am here to help you to become successful. As I said before, it does not happen overnight. A lot of people think they will make money straight away. I am afraid they won't. You need to study and find the right niche which suits you. If you don't know much about the niche you wish to follow, then learn all the facts you need to know. Downloading my free ebook will be a great help to you. Now I have also a program for you which has 15 steps to success, which you will see a link below, which I do recommend. This course is for beginners and anybody else who is out there struggling on how to earn money online and have a passive income for life. You can do this from anywhere in the world. This is one of the benefits of having a passive income, for you can work anywhere, at any time of the day in the world. Your time is your own. If you are a family person, you can spend as much time as you want with your family, earn money while you sleep. So, if you wish to do this, download my free ebook below, or dive into the 15 steps process below and become successful and never worry about money again. Follow this pathway to success and you will become a successful affiliate influencer. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button below, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. Please add a comment below. This is Mike signing off from your successful affiliate influencer.